So in this video, I'm going to be assembling this Fisher-Price walking toy. It's called the Learn with Puppy Walker. And it says right here, adult assembly required. Tool needed is a Phillips screwdriver. I've got a number 2 and a number 1. Probably a number 2 is going to be the one. And so it looks like it has music, 7 hands-on activities, and 75 plus songs, sounds, tunes, and phrases. It teaches the alphabet, numbers and counting, colors and shapes, Spanish words, and more. And it looks like it also helps you learn to walk. And so, yeah, it looks like there's a lot going on there. And 6 to 36 months, I guess, is what that means. So it has a light up nose, chunky clackers, a light up piano keys, shape spinner, peekaboo slider, a flip book, and a colorful bat roller. I guess you bat it and it rolls. And so here it talks about the learning stages that this covers. Age 6 months and up is level 1, explore. And so it's the green triangle. And I don't know what that means, the green triangle. Level 1 because it says 3. But anyway, hands-on activities like flipping the book pages and pressing the keys keep the little hands busy and introduce baby to the colors, shapes, and numbers. And here at age 12 months plus, that's level 2. In this level, the learning fun grows. Little ones will hear puppy asking them to find different shapes and introducing them to the first words in Spanish. And then the level 3 here is 18 months and up. As the little ones flip the book page, they'll hear fun phrases and a song that brings the picture on the page to life. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the box. I've never seen one of these, but I'm going to go ahead and open up the box and see if I can put it together. So usually my strategy is not to read the instructions, just to kind of study the picture and kind of get an idea what it looks like. And usually you can figure out what goes where. So here's the wheels, evidently. They look like they just snap into place. Don't know what that is yet. Here's the instructions and the fasteners. The 4th wheel. And so this is everything that's in the box. This is the main body of it, I guess. On the back, it looks like there's the battery compartment. It's got a Phillips screwdriver. It's probably already got batteries in it. Don't know, hadn't read the instructions. A lot of times there's a tab you pull out. I don't see one on this one. Oh, there's an on-off switch. Let's see. Yeah, nothing yet. So maybe it requires batteries, I don't know. But there's an on-off switch right here, and I'll get into that a little bit later. Got here. It appears these wheels will snap onto that. Looks like wheels would snap onto this. appears that would go in there like that. Yeah, the screws look like they're going to go hold this in. So these are keyed. There's a key right here, and there's a slot, so you can't put it in wrong. Same here. There's a slot here and a key, so you can't mix it up. So now I need to get these screws out of here. And they are a number 2 screw. Number 2 Phillips is what you'll need. Which is, the number 2 Phillips is probably the most common fastener that you'll run across. The number 1 being smaller, and the number 3 would be larger. So the screw for the battery compartment looks like it might be a number 2. And once I get this thing put together, I might be investigating that to see why it's not powering up. So it helps to put pressure on the screwdriver to push it down. It keeps the screwdriver engaged into the head of the screw instead of slipping out. And you can see my technique. I just hold it down and then spin the screwdriver with my other hand. It's almost like having one of those power screwdrivers. So we got the other wheel here. Put that one in. Imagine a lot of people are going to be putting these together on Christmas Eve, and then maybe some other ones on Christmas Day. So maybe this will come in handy if you can see what to expect. We're giving this as a gift, and you didn't want to give them the burden of having to assemble it. Because if you've got a child that small that's going to be playing with this, you're probably pretty busy already just dealing with the baby. So it looks like there's just a few pieces to this puzzle. Got the bottom wheels in, and now this assembly here, it looks like it might be held in place by this purple handle. My guess, let's see. If that's like that, then this could go. Let's see here. So this piece here is also keyed. The purple handle has a key here, and it looks like it pops into this. It can only go in one way. And it snaps in. And now this just sits in place here. Like that. And then there's 2 more screws here. Grab the wrong screwdriver. That's the number 1. You get by with it for a while, but then when it started getting tight, it would start slipping. So far I've put in 2, 4, 6 screws. There's actually 2 more screws. I don't really see where they will go. Oh, actually, I do. They go right here on this purple piece. That's interesting. It's non-symmetrical. So then here's the 7th one. Goes down in this purple handle here. It looks definitely pretty solid when you get done, when you get it all put together. I like the way it's all interlocking and keyed. It can only go together in one configuration. And the keys and the interlocks just help hold everything together. I've got all the fasteners attached. There's 8 of them all together. Put it together here. And so now it's ready for action. It looks like it's got a little bit of a spring to it just by design here of the flexibility. So now I'd like to be able to power it up if I could. So I might have to open this battery compartment up and see what's going on. And I might have to resort to reading the directions. So this is a number 1 Phillips for the battery here. Sure enough, there's no batteries in here. And so it requires 2 AA batteries. I'll go get some. I didn't notice anywhere on it that it said it needed batteries, but that's a heads up for you right there. It's going to require two batteries. I'll go get some. So I've got a couple AA batteries. Put these in. Normally they come with batteries, and there's this little plastic tab that you can pull to remove, and it actually has an insulator against the battery, and so when you remove the plastic, it allows it to be enabled and start to work. This one requires batteries, two AA's, and a number 1 Phillips to get into it. So hopefully now it will power up. Let's see here, I'll flip it to, I can't really read what the switch says, but there we go. So these things here don't. Looks like it wants me to walk. And so somehow I think maybe these pages, must flip a switch inside to activate it. I can feel it when it flips. I don't believe that is interactive with the battery. I don't believe that is. This might be. Yeah, I can feel it. I can feel it has some resistance with a switch. I guess I'm on level 3. Go to level 1. So there's her learning the Spanish here.
Please find the square. Square. You did it. Let's walk triangle. Triángulo. Square. Cuadrado. Circle. Círculo.
Interesting. Learning some Spanish here today.
Please find the triangle. Triangle. Thank you. Gracias.
I'll go to level 1.
Level 1. Let's have some fun. Red. Yellow. Green. Let's walk together. Yeah, keep going. Walking now. Taking our first steps. Wow. That's my nose.
So there's a switch on the back. It's a 2-position. Got it on the first position. I want to flip it to the second one and see what happens.
Walking now.
Oh, I see.
Taking our first steps. Wow.
It's the switch is a level switch. It's a
Hey,
quiet and loud. So now it's on the loud setting.
my nose is red. Triangle. Square. Circle.
So there you go. That's a successful completion of the project. And now the baby can play with it on Christmas. Hope you enjoyed the video and hope you all have a Merry Christmas also. Thanks for watching.